What's up guys, my name is Brandon. So the iPhone 7 is the first iPhone ever with dual speakers and stereo output, but are they really that much better than the solo speaker in the 6S? Ask anyone with an iPhone 7 and they'll tell you the difference is definitely noticeable, and that front-facing speaker definitely makes a world of a difference. So the sound is noticeably louder and more clear, but are the speakers on the iPhone 7 actually louder, or are they just facing in a direction where you can hear the audio better? Let's go ahead and find out. So I'm going to be running 3 audio tests and measuring the maximum decibel output from each device at 2 different audio volumes. Keep in mind that decibel measurement isn't like measuring inches or feet or anything like that. The decibel scale actually works in tens, so if one iPhone measures at 20 decibels and the other iPhone measures at 10 decibels, the first iPhone would actually be 10 times more intense than the second. Here's a chart for better understanding the decibel scale system, so you can go ahead and pause the video now if you're interested in that. So let's go ahead and get started on this audio test. today I'll be showing you the top 150 best jailbreak tweaks for your iOS 9.3.3 device. Now this is actually a compilation video of the previous 5 episodes I did for the best 9.3.3 jailbreak tweaks series. So this is going to be episode 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all combined into one long video. And if you want me to keep this series going, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to be notified when the later episodes drop. And of course, this is going to be a long video, so if I were you, I'd go ahead and grab some food. My name's Brendan, and today I'll be showing you the top 150 best jailbreak tweaks for your iOS 9.3.3 device. Now this is actually a compilation video of the previous 5 episodes I did for the best 9.3.3 jailbreak tweaks series. So this is going to be episode I mentioned in this video will be down in the description below along with the sources needed. Alright, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So up first is haptic feedback, and this tweak basically allows you to have haptic feedback on a device that does not support it by default. So when I lock my device, I get a subtle little vibration in my hand, and also when I unlock it, I get that same subtle vibration effect. Up next is incognito messages, and this allows you to disable the typing toggle, so if you don't
Are you ready to go bowling? You blew a shoe! You blew a shoe off! Welcome to the vlog, guys. Today is Are you ready to go bowling? You blew a shoe! You blew a shoe off! Welcome to the vlog, guys. Today is incredible. Keen has been asking me to go bowling for weeks and weeks, probably.
Alright, so the iPhone 7 is definitely louder and more crispy on the high end while playing music, but when it comes to people talking and the volume at the halfway mark, the iPhone 6s is actually louder by a whopping 6 decibels. So this is very interesting, and you'll need to listen back to each one and see if you can even tell that big of a difference. As far as real world sound, if you had the iPhone 7 and the 6s right next to each other, you would immediately be able to tell that the 7's speaker is playing instead of the 6's. It's just a lot more crisp, and even on the audio, even though the 6s is 6 decibels louder, I still prefer the iPhone 7 sound. And it's most definitely from that front-facing speaker. It definitely makes a huge, huge difference. Anyways, guys, I'm really interested to hear what you guys think about this test. Do you think it was a 6 decibel difference? Did it really sound like a 6 decibel difference on those last 2 tests? I'm really interested to see what you guys think, because obviously measuring them, with a decibel meter, that's not going to really tell you everything. Throw on some headphones, listen to it for yourself, and see what you think. Anyways, that's all I have for now, but I'll keep testing and report back if I find anything else interesting with these speakers. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe for a lot more iPhone 7 videos, iOS 10s, jailbreak, all kind of videos coming soon. So be sure to subscribe to be notified when those new videos drop. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.